Alright, today on the channel we've got War Machine. Let's check him out. He looks pretty cool. Alright, there's War Machine. He's got a couple of shoulder cannons that snap in. It's your blast effect for that one. Then your missile blast effect for that one with some very, very neon orange missiles. And he's got an extra set of hands, 2 punchy fists and 2 that you can add some blast effects from one of your Iron Man figures or something, because I'm not seeing, doesn't come with any other blast effects for his hands in the box. So, but you can use your Iron Man blast effects with these hands, I would think. I believe there's a porthole in there. Yeah, there is. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Check the back. That's where everything hooks in. Yep, 2 shoulder cannons, blast effects, and hands. There they are. Cool. One thing I noticed when I got this, though, on his blue stomach or chest circle, it's got these weird 2 little dots on it, and I don't know if that's a paint defect or if it's something that'll wipe off when we open it, but it looks, I don't think it's supposed to be there. I don't know, maybe it is, but it looks goofy to me. It just looks weird to me. It looks like a weird 2 little fade spots on there that just doesn't, I don't know if it's supposed to look cartoony and look like it's like a light flare on there, like a light reflection, but I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know. It looks weird. We'll see. We'll see what that's about. All right, let's bring it back so you can see the whole package again. There it is. There's the front. Flip her around. And there's your back. And let's take a look at it closer up. Bring this camera up a little higher. Very good. Alright, so it's part of the Iron Man line. War Machine. It's a pretty cool picture. We looked at all that already. Let's check out the back. Same Iron Man logo. And there's a little snippet about War Machine. I'll let you read that if you want. Go ahead and pause it. Then we've got, of course, we saw this already, where everything goes, and some legal stuff. On the bottom is just, it's that little paper in there. All right, well, let's open it up. All right, I've got my trusty X-Acto knife. So we can cut this open. Like a piece of something fell off. I don't know. Alright, this one has 2 of those little stands. So I feel like this is going to be fun to cut around. I'll save that for last. Save the best for last. Alright. This is already open. Alright, that cut pretty easy. Corners are always tough. And it's like butter. Trying to do my best to cut a little of the box off. Darn it. Oh, getting down in the box again. Oh, there's a bad one. Darn it. Alright, let's start again. See if I can keep a little higher up. This one's kind of hard to... it likes to go down into the box there. I don't know what that's about. There we go. There we go. There it goes. Cool. To the next end. Corner. There it goes. And easy peasy down the side. Last corner, that one was pretty easy actually. We've got over there. Then we've got the best for last. All right, I did this right, yeah. So, just go about right there. You know what? This isn't too bad. I thought it'd be way worse. Okay, well, what is that? I don't know. Huh. Okay, well, we got it. Let's put this on so there will be no blood. Very good. Throw that away. I've actually never even opened one to read one. Should I? Let's look. I've never ever done it. Alright. It is just that it's a choking hazard. Small parts. Under 3 years old. And never will do that again. Okay. Let's pop that off. And there he is. Let's get it on the camera a little higher. Check out Rhodes here. Alright, Rhodey, let's get out of the package. There we go. Oh, that's fantastic. Alright, let's figure out this. Nope, that is not coming off. I don't know. I just can't tell. I guess that's supposed to be there. If it's not, if I look at pictures and it's not, I'll guess I'll just repaint it. Because I noticed the paint on this is just like slapped on bad. I mean, that looks not great. At least the face looks really good. But that little blue dot and his little sight up there, whoops, just not good. So I'll probably repaint that black and then redo that blue. And if I'm going to do this, I'll just use the same match up the blue and love having to repaint them. That stinks, but it's not the end of the world. Give me a chance to pull my paints out, I guess. Alrighty, let's get everything else out of the box. Package. Alright, there's a hand. And yeah, whoop, now it's on the floor. Alright, and now that's on the floor. Okay, hold on. Oh, okay, there's one. There's two. Okay, fresh from the floor. We do have a hand that has a port, so you can use some of those Iron Man. Oh, come on. Iron Man blast effects and plug those right in. So that's cool. Get the other hand out. Very good. Punch fist. And this is a blast effect for this cannon. See how the blue looks on this. Ugh. Let's get a little focus going, huh? That's not the greatest looking, but it's not the worst. I probably will leave that alone. Good enough. Now, how does this look? Okay, this just kind of wraps around it. Makes one big kaboom. If this could hold focus, I would be so happy. Alright, let's lock that focus in. So yeah, that just wraps around the front. Like so. Not bad. Check this one out. And the blast effect. And then we'll take out the rockets. So, I'm guessing it goes like that. It gets upside down. There we go. That looks better. More ballistic-y. Alright. Pull some missiles out of here. Okay. There's some bright, flashy missiles. You will see them coming. Alright, plug those guys in. You get 3, but I only see a place to plug in 2. Nope. No, yeah, nope, there is a place right there. Okay. I was not seeing it. Oh, smash. Come on now. Alright, now it's in. It looks pretty cool. Yep. Yep, okay, cool. There's our little port. Plug that up into the ball joint, I think. Okay, well, yeah, that's a tight squeeze. It's in. It doesn't really have a whole lot of range up and down, but it's okay. And the next one, where's the hole? There it is. All right. That one went in pretty good. Oh, okay, I see. Let's put that back in. There's actually a little joint. Let's see if I can see it on camera. He's got it so these can go up and down. Oh, these do like to pop off. That's fantastic. Shove that in a little tighter. But yeah, there's a little piece in both of them that allow it to slide up and down. So you can have them like that with his weapons up. Obviously, you don't want the blast effects in like that, but you can then fold them down, which is pretty cool. I didn't know it did this. And yeah, that's gonna keep falling off. But yeah, that's cool how that slides like that. You can move him to the side. He is a war machine. That's cool. I thought there was something that hooked onto this, but I guess not. It's got two little holes, but I'm not sure what can go in there. Huh. Whoop, nothing else in the box. So I guess if you have little, oh, you know what? So I've got the two little blast effects from Apocalypse. Let's see if those fit in. Yep. So if you have any of these laying around, you can plug those in. So that's kind of cool. It's too bad it didn't come with them. I mean, they're teeny tiny. I don't know if you can get two in there. It might be too close together. You can. They kind of point different directions because of that, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. Kinda. I don't know. There's got to be something better that would fit in there. One of them fits okay, but two of them is kind of weird. All right, but those were from Apocalypse, so you don't get that in the box, so you'd have to come up with something to put in there if you wanted a blast effect for that. Pop these off for now. These really like to pop out, like a lot, and I've been pushing them in real hard. And they love to pop out. Okay, let's fold them up. Yep, I like that. That's cool looking. I like that a lot. It's cool. All right. I don't have any of these yet. Once I open my Iron Man, I'll have some of those. I've got the Stealth Suit Iron Man and the AI Iron Man that looks very vintage. I really like it. So when I open those, I'll probably put one of these, display it with one in the hand. We'll see. But yeah, so far so cool. Just a couple of paint issues. You know, I don't know about that. And this is just slapped on. So yeah, other than that, it's a pretty cool figure. Let me bring down the camera and we'll see how his articulation looks. All right, let's check him out. So we saw that these move up and down, and they're on the ball joint. They really don't go up and down, but they go side to side. But the up and down is here. You can't use that ball joint really to go up and down. Same with this gun, exactly the same. His head, okay, let's get a full up movement. That's about it right there. A down movement, well, not bad. It's pretty good. And side to side, of course. I'm sure he's on a, yep, ball joint there. Okay, so it's a double ball joint. That's how his head works. Got a ball joint down there and a ball joint where it hooks in on the top. Pop that on, and then we'll put this on that I knocked off very easily. Leave those. Oh man, I thought those go down further. I guess not. There we go. Okay. Now his arms. So they don't come out very far because this piece really hinders it. I mean, well, I guess, yeah, they come up. Okay, it was just in an awkward spot, but they're just kind of held on right here. It's just a really soft plastic. Yep, so it's just a soft plastic right here. Looks good. Looks like just a single, no, it's a double. Yeah, what am I thinking? It's a double arm joint. Very good. Elbow joint. His hands, he's got his arm cannon. It does not come off. It's kind of glued onto this piece here. That's cool. Alright, so that's the arm. And then the leg. His leg can go out that far, which is okay. He's got his split right there. Twisty. Double joint on the knee. So, yep, looks good. And you got his, so you got the swivel on his foot just like all the others. Front facing port. So yeah, he looks pretty good. He's got the ab crunch going, and I like that they have these two little pieces here. So it looks like, you know, if you're here or if you're here, it just kind of lines up and looks good. I like that. And of course you get your waist swivel. Looks good. I like him. The War Machine. Looks fantastic. Okay, let's do some posing. Vulcan is actually, he's about the same height. And then we'll put him over here. We will add Apocalypse. That's what he looks like. Let's stand Apocalypse up right so you can see how tall he is in comparison. Alright, there's Apocalypse standing, whoop, almost, there we go, standing straight up next to him. Show a little scale there. Yep, Apocalypse not happy. And then lastly, we have a Siren. But, alright, let's see if we can move him back a little bit. We'll put Siren in the front. There they are. There's everybody with Iron Man. Alright, let's do some posing now.